Hi there. Do you have a Realme smartphone that no longer receives software updates? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First, dial star hash 899 hash and select software version. Here, you need to find your OTA version and your phone's region. This phone has XE 10000 radio, which means it was made for Chinese market, so it only receives official China updates. Connect the smartphone to a computer and copy the correct software update file. You can find a useful website linked in the description of this video. Be careful, if you copy the wrong version, you could damage your smartphone. After copying the software files, go to Software Updates, locate the file on your phone, and install it. As you can see, the software update now shows as available. From now on, your Realme phone will be able to download future updates by itself. Please don't forget to support this YouTube channel by giving it a like and subscribe to stay tuned for more useful tech videos. See you next time.